What is up, you guys? We're here today for part 2 of the Skate Everything Wars Mall experience. We're here today with Fetty and Nigel. If you missed episode 1, make sure you go back and watch that right now. So there's gonna be a card right there in the corner that'll link you back to episode 1. We're back at Stone Ridge Mall. We're gonna go back in there. Nigel now gets to pick his store, whatever store he wants to go to. We're gonna go in there, $75 limit to buy whatever you want to turn into a skateboard. Nigel, do you have any ideas?
No, I'll find an idea though. I'm still trying to figure out a store.
Pottery Barn! I don't think we can afford anything.
No, I don't think we can afford anything in there. Let's check out the Pottery Barn.
Let's go to Pottery Barn.
Let's just check it out.
I like this bench. Is this Pottery Barn bench?
I don't know about being here, Daniel. Fetty, please don't touch it.
That is $150. Is this a pigeon?
That's a crow.
It is a crow. I want a pigeon.
What is this?
That is
$66.
That is 76,
Oh,
my
sorry,
friend. No, 100. It's on sale for 76. It's $1 over. I don't even know what it is.
It's a giant conch shell.
Giant seashell.
Dude.
That will poke your eye out.
That's not a bad idea. That's sick. Wait, Fetty, I don't trust Uzi Daniel in this store alone. Where's he at?
Oh no. He's not with them and he's not with us. There he is.
They have complimentary water with oranges in it. That is very nice.
We cannot afford nothing here.
We can afford that conch shell.
No, that's $1 over.
It's fine.
That's breaking the rules.
It's fine.
That is a giant candle. Please tell me that's real.
I don't think you can get anything in here. This is $500.
Oh, look at these robes. Yo.
It's also $120.
You see that wooden bowl? I was
Yeah.
like, oh, he could skate that. It's $200.
What about this? How much do you think that is?
200.
Oh, this is skatable too.
Have you found anything?
This.
What is that?
I don't know, but it works.
It's also $70.
We found something for 76.
We found something for 76.
Oh.
What'd you find?
It's a giant conch shell.
No, but seriously, for 76, it is
Will
so
it
worth
work?
it. It would literally
Right.
be the funniest thing ever.
That's pretty
Tell me
good.
that's not
Okay.
really good.
I mean,
Okay.
Like, you would be okay going $1 over budget
that's
for that,
fine.
right?
That's fine. I'm gonna look at like 3 more things and then
3 more things. I even
Yeah.
That's the only thing I've seen. Except for the pigeon. Well, look at it. How much it says.
Fetty,
Scan.
Fetty.
$76.99. Just what I thought. I have a giant key. This is actually really cool.
Man, you're unlocking some great potential right now.
I know. This is for my castle.
It's a major key.
Daniel, don't
Major
touch.
key
I need you to not
Oh,
touch
look
anything,
at
okay?
Whoa, look at this. It's an eye that you look through with your eye.
Alright, what are we gonna get?
I think that.
That thing?
Yeah.
That weird whatever that thing is? What even
don't-
is that?
I don't know.
Daniel, put that hat down.
But it's real.
No, put it down.
Okay.
Fetty, we're done. Let's just take a seat.
I swear if this is uncomfortable, I will be so mad. Oh, my butt is in heaven.
I've never seen you more happy at a store. Oh.
Don't worry, mate, it won't break.
Hey, Nigel. Anytime now. Hey, it's only $800 for this little thing.
Hello, did someone lose their telephone?
It's not a telephone. What are you guys doing?
We are buying some stuff to make a video with.
Okay, can I help you?
We're trying to find something under $75. It's pretty sturdy, but I
That
think
we can make a skateboard out of.
I'll
You
put-
took the best thing. Is that candle for sale?
They're very expensive.
Dang it.
You going with that?
$69. I mean, it's the only other thing.
It's a giant waffle.
I'm fine with that.
You want me to take it for you?
Yes.
Okay.
Why should she take my thing?
Nigel, go outside and go off.
No, it's okay.
Please.
I'll wait.
Guys, this is only $28.79.
What?
$28.79?
Well, that,
I'm buying the other one.
What are you gonna do with the other one?
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
You go, Nigel. You go.
This is $46.19.
wow.
This is a development.
I love this place.
This place is great. Yeah, seriously.
I might just double weave it.
All right, double pancake.
I don't.
Look, ours is only $46.
I know, I heard that one. Yeah, wow.
Found
Total,
Daniel.
you guys, is $104.19.
Oh, perfect. That's super under budget.
Alright, you guys.
I got
thanks for
you.
talking
Cool.
with us today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
You too.
I hate spiders.
Well, we're back at the car. Everyone's meeting up back here. We're going back to the warehouse. This was hard. I think it was more hard wrangling all the man children over there. We're still missing one. Did you see Uzi walking over yet?
No, I did not see him yet.
Oh my gosh. Hey, we're leaving him here. We're leaving. We'll see you guys at the Braille house. All right, you guys. Well, we're here for part 2, so we're gonna do this setup too. What is this exactly?
I cannot tell you.
You think this thing's gonna survive, Fetty?
No.
Oh, there's a big one and a small one? Uh-oh.
I don't know what it's made out of, but I really want to throw it down the barrel drop.
Oh my.
The trucks are not straight.
Well, that's one part. It's got to be like lined up, yeah.
Nigel, you're really breaking out of your shell with this build. Your shell.
Thank you.
Like, what actually is that, though? Seriously.
I don't know.
A decorative piece.
Like, a decorative piece, but what is it supposed to be?
Just, you wouldn't
Some-
understand.
Daniel, I don't understand. I want to understand.
Artist made
a
it and was
waffle.
like, oh, I'm gonna make bank off of this, and then
And now it's being sold for $20.
yeah.
That is interesting. Wait. Check out what the decorative piece is now. Now I'd keep that in my house. That's sick. Now you can sell that for at least quadruple the price. Are you guys ready? Nigel, you look like a shell of your former self.
Pottery Barn!
Pottery Barn, the most weirdly expensive with some stuff on sale store of all time. It broke? Mm-hmm. How?
Well, you win, Nigel. Good game.
So are we gonna try this a little bit and then just do that?
I think you play until that's fully broken, and then we can you guys can finish the game on that.
You're first.
Look at the trucks. Like what? What in the world?
This thing is fully unskateable.
Yeah.
This has to go like here.
Well, let's skate the Weeble Weeble. No way.
No.
Are you kidding me?
It's fine. See?
Oh look, now it has a little spot for you.
Don't look at it. It makes it worse.
So it's safe to say before we even get into this, making stuff out of stores in the mall, like skateboards,
Did not work.
just not cutting it out. It didn't work.
Oh!
Oh
Wait, does anyone else like really want to break that shell?
I do.
no! Do you see how happy he just got?
Like, I feel like we should just get that out of the way first. Wait, Fetty, grab the baseball bat. I think you should try to do one stationary trick on it. Like a stationary shove. Try to do something just to like say that we actually did skate. Batter up! Ow! Ow!
Tip ball, strike one.
Ow!
I took the trucks off, Gabe.
Thank you. One hit my ankle.
Blue set. Hike. What is
What
it?
is it made out of? Wow.
Hey, you owe me money, cuz. Now my boy's here to get you, cuz. Get him, homie. Get him. Yeah, get him. Get him. Yeah, get him. There you go. There you go. Get him. Get him. That's what happens when you mess with us. Yeah. 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 What's up? Hold on. Let me get him, cuz. Let me get him. Come here. Cuz. We don't play no games.
Fetty, we're done.
That one is heavy piece. It dented the bat.
Count it. Good. Whoa. Goal.
Are we gonna play SKT or SK8?
Yeah, I'll just play SK8. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's not bad at all. What?
It's easy, but it's hard. It's hard to explain. It's fun, but it's weird.
Fed, you have your tetanus shot, right? Dang. It's K to K. One letter left. Good.
Did it.
One more try, Fetty.
It's your last round, and Mario, I'll give you a checkpoint.
This freaked me out from my ankle.
Dang it. Well, that was easy.
Wow. How did you do that?
Yeah, it was me.
What?
Your services to humanity are greatly appreciated.
Thank you.
I was also gonna ask if you can film the end of this video for me.
Yeah.
Do you know how to do outros? Hi, my name's Gabe Cruz. This is the outro that we tried I can't do it.
You can't do it either.
It's on you. I can't speak English. Scene 5, take 43.
All right, you guys, that is the conclusion to our 2-part shopping mall Skate Everything Wars series. Geez, that was a mouthful.
You got it out that time.
That was hard to
That was
say.
good.
Props to you guys. Big ups for finding probably the hardest store that you could have ever gone to, aside from a fully clothing store. It's pretty hard to find skateboarding stuff if you're not actually going to buy a skateboard. Now that I say that out loud, makes
Sounds
a
really-
lot of sense.
Yeah.
Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow these guys on social media at Niggle Jones and at Fetty Potter. You can also check out his mixer for Fortnite streams, and yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, check out the Skate Everything Wars playlist, where you can check out all the other stores we've been to. You can leave a comment below and let us know what store we should go to next, because we're down to go anywhere. We've gone to so many already, and there's still so many that we have yet to go to. So subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. You guys are the best.